Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong love reading for April 2024 para sa mga in a relationship at single. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates, watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 20, 2024. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment kung paano magbo-book for a private reading. Okay, unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Virgo. Yung mga karelasyon dyan. Let's see. Healthy choices. You're practicing self-love, self-care. So, you are taking care of yourself, even if you are in a relationship. Of course, hindi lang naman ibang tao yung aalagaan mo. Syempre, sarili mo. Yung relationship nyo daw ay nag-e-evolve into the next level, next phase. But I also see someone na pinagmamasdan ka. Pwedeng may nagsustalk sa'yo. Oo. Can be someone from your past na inaalam ang nangyayari sa iyong buhay. Laging merong short term dito. You also have young female energy, friendship. So, maaring you are dealing with a person na mas bata sa'yo or ikaw yung mas bata sa kanya. Medyo may age gap. Ang nakikita ko rito is maaring ang dynamics ng relationship nyo is para kayong magkaibigan. Oo. So, pwedeng kaya nag-evolve yung relationship ninyo is from friendship to lovers. Pagdating ng April. Alam mo yung tipong you know na meron kayong romantic connection pero wala pang commitment. So pagdating ng April, baka papasok kayo sa commitment. O, di ba? Speaking of commitment, 7th house, which is relationship, ay medyo complicated. You have Capricorn energy and Virgo energy. So, of course, this is your energy. So, pwedeng yung connection nyo is walang label. So, ngayong April, lalagyan na ng label. Or, you will decide to commit with this person. Let's see the overall energy of your connection. Oops. Malakas yung Capricorn energy. Baka Capricorn yung ka-deal ninyo. Medyo risky tong relationship na to, ha. Pwedeng maraming dyan, competition or maaring merong mga hindi sang-ayon sa relationship na to. Let's say, for example, barkada kayo, tapos nagkaroon kayo na-develop kayo sa isa't isa. Tapos yung iba yung barkada, hindi gusto yung nangyayari sa relationship ninyo. Kasi syempre, barkada kayo eh. Baka ayaw nilang masira yung relationship nyo as friends. Kasi syempre, pag nagkaroon ng problema, nag-away, magkakampihan yan. So, maapektuhan yung friendship. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Maaari kasi yung isa sa inyo ay galing sa isang failed relationship. Tapos, meron kayong kaibigan na malapit sa inyo na doon kayo nagko-comfort. Pwede ring reversal yung roles. Yung kaibigan mo galing sa failed relationship, tapos ikaw yung nagko-comfort sa kanya. And eventually, na-develop. So, ang challenge dyan is kung paano mo ma-distinguish, no? makikita, mapaghihiwalay yung concern as a friend and concern if itong feelings mo na to is romantic na pala. Let's see naman ang energy ng yung person. Oo, kaibigan talaga. Ito yung tipong lagi mong kasama sa mga lakaran. Oo, travels. Malakas yung Capricorn energy. Meron ding water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see your energy. Strength card. I feel like merong tension between the two of you. Tension na romantic. Romantic tension. Alam mo yung tipong tinatry nyong iwasan pero parang nilalabanan nyo yung feelings romantically pero nararamdaman nyo pa rin talaga. Okay. So, possible na itong relationship ninyo talaga mag-level up from super BFF, super close friend to a romantic connection. Kasi magkakaroon ng, kumbaga magbubunga yung relationship or connection na to. Mag-grow. There's growth. I think pipili ka rin dito eh. Pipiliin mo kung yung kaibigan mo, yung sinasabi nila, or yung nararamdaman nyo for this person. Ayan. So, of course, pwede namang hindi ito ang kwento ng buhay nyo. So, kung hindi ito yon, then this reading is not for you. So, kanya-kanyang yan, energies. So, let's see naman ang mga single na Virgo. Tingnan natin. Virgo singles. What's coming to you ngayong April 2024? Okay. May ending. Nako, may heartbroken. Kaya kayo single. Kasi may nag-end na connection. You are heartbroken. Meron dito naghahabol. Pero, wala. Tingnan pa natin. Siguro, trinay niyong ayusin. Kaya lang, may umiiwas na. Basta kayo. Person from the past. Hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on from your past. You are still thinking about this person. Pwedeng ang kadil nyo ay isang air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, masyadong cold itong person na to. Wala na siya totally pake sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. Ang sakit, no? Kaya lang, ganun talaga. May iwas eh. So, ngayon, ang pinapakita rito is kailangan mo raw, you have to pick up yourself. Kasi kung masyado kang naapektuhan dito sa pagtatapos ng relationship mo in the past, actually, iba sa inyo matagal na eh. Months na yung ending ng relationship, pero yung iba sa inyo hinahabol pa rin itong person na to. Maaring, pwedeng physically hindi mo hinahabol na ini-stalk mo. Pwedeng nasa isip mo, minamanifest mo pa rin tong person na to bumalik sa'yo. Pwedeng nagre-reach out ka pa rin. But, what I'm seeing here is a new beginning for you. Maaring kailangan mong mag-focus sa sarili mo sa ngayon to take care of yourself, empower yourself, kesa sa hinahabol itong taong to. Kasi I don't think this person is going to, diba? Moving on. Energy ng past. Parang gusto mo pa rin ilaban eh. Kaya lang umiiwas na tong person na to. So it's time for you to focus on yourself, move on, move forward. And yung lesson na natutunan mo rito, dalhin mo sa mga susunod mong relationships. Yung iba sa inyo, mag-abroad, lalayo. Meron kayong mga pagbabagong gagawin sa buhay ninyo para makalimot or maka-move on, no? So, you have to find a better version of yourself. Parang reinvention of yourself. Makakatulong yun for you. Okay? So, this is your reading. Thank you so much, Virgo. Bye.